The Milky Way will not exist forever. The river of stars that stretches across our night sky feels eternal. Ancient civilizations looked upon it. Modern telescopes study it, and billions of years from now, it will be gone. Not because it explodes, but because it slowly transforms into something entirely new. Today, the Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, spread across more than 100,000 light years. Vast clouds of gas continue to give birth to new stars, while a supermassive black hole lurks at its center. Yet far beyond our galaxy, another giant is approaching, the Andromeda Galaxy. For billions of years, Andromeda has been moving toward us through the darkness of space. Right now, the distance between our galaxies is shrinking at more than 100 kilometers every second, and the collision has already become inevitable. But the real surprise is that galaxies do not collide like cars. The stars are so far apart that most of them will never strike each other directly. Instead, gravity becomes the true architect of destruction. Around 4 billion years from now, the first close encounter begins. Massive tidal forces stretch both galaxies into enormous streams of stars. Spiral arms twist and distort. Entire regions of the sky transform as billions of suns are pulled into new positions. From Earth, if Earth still exists, the night sky would become unrecognizable. Andromeda would grow larger and larger until it dominates the heavens. Then comes the merger. Over hundreds of millions of years, the two galaxies pass through each other again and again. Each encounter strips away structure and scatters stars across immense distances. Eventually, the graceful spiral shape of the Milky Way disappears forever. In its place, a new galaxy is born. Astronomers sometimes call it Milkomeda, a giant elliptical galaxy containing the combined stars of both systems. But this is not the end. It is only the beginning of a much longer decline. As billions of years pass, the gas needed to create new stars becomes increasingly scarce. Star formation slows. The brilliant blue stars vanish first. Only longer-lived red stars remain. The galaxy grows older, quieter, darker. Trillions of years into the future, most stars will have exhausted their fuel. White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes will dominate the remnants of what was once a vibrant galaxy. The night sky will no longer blaze with countless suns. It will be filled with ghosts. Then comes the black hole era. At the center of the merged galaxy, the supermassive black holes of the Milky Way and Andromeda will have united into an even larger monster. Over unimaginable spans of time, black holes become some of the last active objects remaining. But even they do not last forever. Through a process known as Hawking radiation, they slowly evaporate. And eventually, the final black hole fades away. No stars, no galaxies, no light, only a cold and silent universe. Yet the story of the Milky Way is not really about death. It is about change. The galaxy that gave birth to Earth, to humanity. And to every story we have ever told is only one chapter in a much larger cosmic journey. And long after the Milky Way is gone, the universe will continue its endless march through time.